Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you like my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. And of course guys, if you are not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This started a downtrend right from the resistance zone. Okay, from this point, okay, it started, you can see the downtrend signal, and of course the sell signal started selling, got to this region, tried to go back on uptrend but was unable to go for long before coming back to try out the support zone again. So it was unable to break out from there also, so it went back up. Okay, and of course came down again to break out from that support zone, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, it's approaching a new support zone at the moment. If it's unable to break out from there, it will go back into an uptrend, but if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so at the moment this is still selling, even though it might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out from the support zone. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500. It went on uptrend for a very long time, played around there for a while, but broke out below the support zone around there to get to a new support zone. Okay, and of course guys, right from here it was unable to break out below that support zone, so it went straight into an uptrend. You can see the uptrend signal which we got around there, and kept on buying, broke out above this resistance zone to get to a new resistance zone. So it is still buying at the moment, except if it's unable to break out from the next resistance zone, that is when it will go back into a downtrend. So it is still buying, even though this might not be for long also. Okay, that is if it does not break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 started a downtrend right from the resistance zone, and of course it sold for a while. It sold till it got to this particular support zone, and it was unable to break out from there. Tried it out about 2 times, was unable to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend at the moment. So this is buying right now. If it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it will sell back. Okay, and try out the support zone. But if it breaks out above it, it should make an attempt on the resistance zone that is at the top right here. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, let's check it out together. This is crash 500. It had been on uptrend for long, but got to this resistance zone, was unable to go above it, so it has started a downtrend right now, and it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Last asset will be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. This is beautiful. It had been on downtrend for a very long time, right from this resistance zone, kept on selling and selling, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course went back down to break out below that support zone, and it has been selling since then. Okay, so it is still selling at the moment. However, it is around this support zone. If it breaks out below it, then it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. So this is still selling, even though it might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out from the support zone. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.